Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm so thrilled you're here today because we're diving into a project that's been on my mind for a while, transforming my bedroom's accent wall. Sometimes a single change can completely redefine a space, and that's exactly what we're aiming for today. My bedroom has always been my sanctuary, but lately, that accent wall felt a little uninspired. It was time for a change, a splash of color reflecting the cozy, inviting atmosphere I want to create. Join me as I walk you through every step of this exciting painting journey, sharing all the details of what I did to make this bedroom even more beautiful. First, preparation is key. I started by carefully clearing the wall area, moving furniture and covering anything with drop cloths. Then came cleaning the wall itself. A quick wipe down ensures no dust interferes with adhesion. Once dry, I meticulously applied painter's tape along the edges, baseboards, and trim. This creates those crisp, professional lines that truly elevate the final look. Choosing the perfect shade was an adventure. After much deliberation and testing swatches, I settled on a beautiful, calming hue that brings warmth and sophistication. Before applying the main color, I opted for a high-quality primer. This step is incredibly important, especially when changing colors or ensuring an even, long-lasting finish. The primer creates a uniform base, allowing your chosen paint color to shine through beautifully. With the primer dry, it was time for the magic. I started with the edges, using a brush to carefully cut in along the taped lines. Then, with a roller, I applied the first coat of our chosen color, working in manageable sections. Key is even application, avoiding drips. After allowing the first coat to dry completely, patience is a virtue. I applied the second. 2 coats gave us that rich, deep color, and seeing the transformation unfold was incredibly satisfying. Once the final coat was dry, the most exciting part arrived, carefully peeling off the painter's tape. Revealing those perfectly straight lines is so rewarding. I then tidied up any minor imperfections and put all the furniture back. The difference is truly remarkable. This new accent wall has completely revitalized the bedroom, making it feel more cohesive, inviting, and a true reflection of my personal style. It's amazing how a single wall can anchor the room and give it such distinct personality. I hope you enjoyed following along with this bedroom transformation. It was such a fulfilling project, and I'm absolutely thrilled with the results. Thank you so much for watching and for being a part of this creative journey. If you found this video inspiring or helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who might be looking for a home refresh. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling me what you think of the new look. Your support means the world to me. Until next time, happy decorating.